So why become a real estate investor? Why do you want to go through the trouble, right? The most common answer I get is that I want to become financially free or I want to become financially independent. I think both of them mean the same. But what does it really mean, right? So let's go through a little bit what it is to become financially independent. Becoming financially independent means that all your sources of passive income will equal or be higher than your lifestyle costs. And I'm going to repeat that. So becoming financially independent means that all your sources of passive income will be equal or higher than your lifestyle cost. All your lifestyle cost is all the expenses that you currently have. And let's just assume for a minute that you have $4,000. And this it could be now or in the future. Let's just take that number for now. You need $4,000 to cover all your expenses. So that means that all your sources of passive income will have to be $4,000 or higher. That is basically the definition of becoming financially independent. And we want to do it through real estate. When you have a portfolio of properties, they are rented, so now they're creating that source of passive income for you. And if you are just getting all your financial independence from your properties, then all those rents need to be $4,000 or more in this example, right? Your numbers might be different. But that is some sources of passive income. There's other sources of passive income. You could have a pension coming in from your employer, maybe some government pensions as well. There's many ways to do it, but that's basically what it means to be financially independent. So think about why you want to become an investor. Is this the definition that you thought? Please put that in the comment and let me know. I'm going to tell you why I became a real estate investor. First of all, I love it. I love the whole process of putting things together. My background is in project management, so I really like to organize things. I like to know where things go, how long they're going to take, and put it all together. It's just something that I like doing. The other thing is that it's very creative. So every single project is different. You're going to have different finishes, different layouts, different scope of work in the whole thing. So I like that. I like to be creative. I like to maybe take a look and see how we can make a room different, bigger, smaller, finishes, colors, all of that. So I love doing that. But the two things that I really like real estate investing is because it gives me time back. So when I set up a property and it's actually giving me some passive income, I'm a step closer of not having or quitting my job or not doing my active job. And that's something that I really encourage people because it does give you some time back. And the last one, and the best one, I think, for me, is that you are building your wealth. I am building my wealth through real estate. It has been proven through the years that properties appreciate over time. So the more properties you have and you hold on to them for the long term, then you're building wealth with it. So one of the main reasons that people are not investing in real estate, right? Well, there's a few reasons. I think the major one is because they believe that they don't have enough money. And in some places would be probably true, especially if you're investing in cities like Toronto or maybe LA or New York, that the price of real estate is pretty high. So having enough money to start buying property might be out of your range or might be not easy to do. However, there's other areas that you can start investing. It doesn't have to be where you live, if that's where you are. And that is all kind of what I'm doing here, teaching some of the best places that you can actually invest in, that it's all in my course. So now the number two reason that people don't want to invest in real estate is because they think that they're going to make a mistake. And that mistake, it could be very costly, and it can. But the way to mitigate that is by having a mentor and a coach and somebody that is going to guide you through, so you don't make those mistakes. But you need to educate yourself. And I think the first investment that you need to make is in yourself, in education, because the more you know, the better off you're going to be. And the more successful you're going to be, and the quicker you're going to be successful as well. And the last thing that people think that they cannot invest in real estate is because they don't have enough time. And in some cases, it might be true. A lot of people have lots of responsibilities, children, work, and commuting, and going places, and family responsibilities. That is true. But I do truly believe that people that have the focus and also they want it bad enough, then they will find the time. First of all, to invest some time in doing some due diligence and find out more about real estate investing, and then actually go ahead and do it. So that's what I have for you today. So I hope that it helps. So please leave me a comment and let me know if there's anything else that I missed. See you in the next one.